You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
We're about to meet Mr. Tumble and his friends.
Yeah, so George and I have decided to make our very own something special Spotty bow ties. Right then, now first of all, we need to decorate a sheet of paper like this with various size spots.
Then get a bit of paper and fold it several ways.
Okay, will do. Like this, George?
Like that.
Perfect.
And then you have to get a tip of paper like this. And make it into a loop like this.
Ah, okay. I'll pop that onto our sheet of paper, like so. Push it into the middle.
And then you fan the bow tie out.
Yeah. And look, we've got our very own Spotty
bow tie.
Perfect for Tumble Ted, wouldn't you say?
Tumble Ted, definitely.
There you go.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Numberblocks, Mr. Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.